So I'm trying to change my AC resistor, and so the heat as well for the blower motor in a international 9900 high. So this is what you have to do in order to get to the resistor, because everything for the international I guess 9900 series, I guess everything is underneath, the whole unit is underneath the passenger seat. So my unit, it won't work, and if I put it on, like it's not working on 1 2 3, but it will work on high, you know. So once it's working, but it's clicking, but it's not working. So I guess the high side doesn't need a resistor. That's why it blows so hard, because there's nothing to cut down the flow of current. So I guess I have to clean up all that mess underneath there. So the seat is very heavy, so be careful when you're taking it out. So I'm just gonna lift this off, then I will basically get to the resistor, so in a minute. So I use a 13 millimeter ratchet angle and socket to take the socket rather is 13 millimeter to take the cover off, right? So this is how we have it inside here. So I guess this is the resistor, you know what I mean. I guess this is what goes bad inside here. So we're gonna change this one, and I have the new one, you know what I mean. The new one is right here. So this is what the new one look like, you know what I mean. So yep, we're gonna change it and then see how it goes from there. Okay, so let's see what happened. So you just pull this whole thing up and the resistor comes up in it. So this is what our whole resistor look like. So we're gonna take off those wires, put on the new one, and see what happened. This one was badly damaged, so as you can see, it burns the wire there. So see, this one is really in a really deplorable condition. Yep, so as you can see, this is it. So we put our new resistor in, so we're gonna check it and see what happened now. Okay, so come over to the control panel. So we're gonna go on, turn it wherever we want it. Okay, see, it's working. Can you hear it? Yep. 3 4, and it's working perfect. So it was just the resistor. So there you have it. So I guess we don't need any instruction on how to put back the seat and the cover together. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do that. Thanks guys, hope this helped, and I hope it save you a few bucks. All right, thanks much.